In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Mailchimp API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to generate it, and a few best practices to keep it safe and organized. First, a quick heads up on what an API key is and why you might need one. An API key is like a secure pass that lets other tools and services talk to your Mailchimp account. You might need it to connect your website, your e-commerce platform, or an integration that automates your marketing. Because it grants access, you'll want to handle it with the same care you would a password. Once you're signed in to your Mailchimp dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon there. This opens a menu where you can get to your personal and account settings. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. This is the central place for your account configuration, including billing details and advanced options you might not see elsewhere. Inside the Account and Billing area, find the tab labeled Extras. Click Extras, and from that drop-down, select API Keys. This dedicated page is where Mailchimp keeps all your existing keys and where you can create new ones. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. On the API Keys page, look for the option to create a new key. Click Create a Key. Mailchimp will instantly generate a fresh API key for you. You'll see it appear in your list, often alongside optional details like a label or the date it was created. If there's a spot to add a label, it's a good idea to name it based on what you'll use it for, like website or CRM integration, so you can easily recognize it later. Now that the key is created, copy it carefully and store it in a secure location. Only paste it into the trusted tool or integration that needs it. Avoid sharing it in emails, chat messages, or public documents. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, return to this same page and either pause or delete the key, then create a new one. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile icon, went to Account and Billing, opened the Extras tab to find API Keys, and selected Create a Key. With that done, you're ready to connect Mailchimp to your tools safely and efficiently.